Welcome children. Today we are continuing the same first chapter of geography that we covered in the last videos, and the topic for today is deforestation. Now what is deforestation? So the definition of deforestation says irrational cutting of forest areas from some region. Now when the forest area is being cut irrationally or limitlessly from any particular region, then such a situation is known as deforestation. Now, who does this deforestation? The forests themselves doesn't get vanished or get cut. Someone might be there behind it. So who is there behind it? We human beings. We human beings are responsible for the irrational cutting of forest, for fulfilling our certain needs, to get the resources, to get the fruits or vegetables or gum, timber, wood, or any other thing which we require. What we do? We cut the forest area, and as a result, what happens? This situation of deforestation occurs. Now let us look at the causes of deforestation. First one is shifting cultivation. Now what is shifting cultivation? Shifting cultivation is a method of farming in which, suppose there is a land, what will we do? And there are trees here, trees and grasses and all sorts of trees are here. The human beings are going to cut all these trees and burn this complete land and turn it into a empty barren land. Okay, and then this land will be used for farming. Now for certain days farming will be done on this land, and then again this land will be shifted, or human beings will shift to another land. Again here so many trees are here. Again what will we do? We will cut these trees, burn this land and use this for agriculture, and again shift to another land. So this process of cutting the trees, burning it, using it for agriculture for some time, and then shifting to other land is shifting cultivation. And what happens due to this? Because of this shifting cultivation, first of all we are doing? We are cutting the trees, so deforestation तो हो ही रहा है यहाँ पे. उसके बाद what is happening? We have used this land for certain time and then shifted to another land, so turning this land into barren land, and the fertility of the soil also declines. So the shifting cultivation is the first reason for deforestation. Now the second cause is construction of dams. When we have to construct anything, be it water dams, railways, roadways, what we have to do? All the plants and trees or any building or anything that is in the way, we have to clear off that land, and then only we can construct anything. So the construction of huge dam results in what? It results in huge deforestation also. A large area need to be deforested for the construction of dams. Again, now for building of hydroelectricity projects. Now hydroelectricity projects you might be knowing कि वो प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े रिवर्स पर डैम बनाकर और उन रिवर वाटर से क्या किया जाता है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस की जाती है. तो और ये ऑब्वियस है कि जहाँ पर रिवर्स होगी वहाँ पर ग्रीनरी ज़्यादा होगी, ज़्यादा ट्रीज़ होंगे, ज़्यादा फॉरेस्ट एरिया होगा, तो वहाँ पर डैम बनाकर उससे हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? ऑल दैट फॉरेस्ट और एरिया और ऑल द trees need to be cleared off, then only hydroelectricity projects can be built on that particular area. So this is another cause. Next is roadways and railways. For the extension of roadways and railways, all the trees have to be cut off, then only roads and railways could be built. Extension of habitat areas. Now as the population is increasing, what people need? Human beings will definitely need home to live, and home, this habitat areas, this are for building their homes. What they are doing? They are cutting off the trees, clearing off the trees, and there they are building their houses. So this is another reason. And cutting of trees for setting up industries. Now there are a lot of industries, factories, mines. So how they are set up? There might be some cutting of the forest because no land is clear. कहीं पर हमेशा हर जगह थोड़े बहुत पेड़ पौधे तो हर जगह होते हैं, तो उनको हटाकर ही वहाँ पर इंडस्ट्रीज़ बनाई जा सकती है। तो ये सारे रीजंस हैं जिनकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो रहा है, और जो हमारा फॉरेस्ट एरिया वाला लैंड है वो धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज होता जा रहा है। नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द इल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द डिफॉरेस्टेशन। डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से क्या क्या हार्म हो रहा है, क्या क्या इल इफेक्ट्स एनवायरनमेंट पर हो रहे हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज सॉइल इरोजन। नाउ व्हेन द ट्रीज वर देयर, द रूट्स ऑफ द ट्रीज केप्ट द सॉइल इंटैक्ट। कि रूट्स की वजह से सॉइल इंटैक्ट थी, एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई थी, टाइट थी, तो सॉइल इरोजन नहीं हो रहा था। बट व्हेन द ट्रीज आर बीइंग कट, द रूट्स also got cut with them, and what happens, the soil became loose and now it can easily erode and soil erosion can happen. Next one is landslides. As the soil loosens up, they can easily occur, landslides can occur. Underground water level will go down. जहाँ पर ट्रीज होते हैं उनकी रूट्स की वजह से वहाँ पर बहुत सारा अंडरग्राउंड वाटर लेवल हाई होता है, पानी का लेवल हाई होगा, बट ट्रीज कट हो गए तो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर लेवल भी नीचे चला जाएगा। एंड डेजर्ट एरियाज विल इंक्रीज। अब जहाँ पर एरियाज पर फॉरेस्ट बने हुए थे उन सारे फॉरेस्ट एरियाज को आपने कट कर दिया, कोई भी फॉरेस्ट नहीं बचा, तो वो सारा एरिया कैसा हो जाएगा, इट विल टर्न इनटू डेजर्ट और बैरन लैंड। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट डिफॉरेस्टेशन।